This Instagram page has only 10 posts, 10, and 1.3 million followers. The Kumar method. First video, 33 million views, then 22 million, 16 million, 9.5 million. Every single post, millions and millions of views. And here's what nobody's telling you. Every one of these videos is 100% AI generated. Not one camera, not one actor, not one editor. Now here's where it gets crazy. Everyone else will show you how to make one video like this. I'm not doing that. I'm going to show you how to build your own website, your own app, that generates this exact kind of viral content for you. Any trend you see blowing up, you build a site around it in minutes, generate content in a few clicks, upload, and get views while the trend is still hot. No coding, no experience, nothing. If you can type a 2-line prompt, you can build any type of website, a content generator, a thumbnail tool, anything. And I'm going to prove it. At the very end of this video, I'll show you the full preview of a video I generated using my own website. A website I built in just 5 minutes. 5. But you only get to see it if you make it to the end. And listen, this trend is at its peak right now. The people building on it today are the ones pulling millions of views. 6 months from now, everyone will be doing this. So watch every single step carefully, because by the end of this video, you'll have your own viral content machine running. Let's start. So how do we actually build this system? Higgsfield just launched something called the Higgsfield App Builder. And with it, you can build your own website, your own app, even games in just a few clicks. The link is in the description below. Click it, log in, and you're ready. Now, quick thing before we build, you can also connect Higgsfield directly with Claude AI through the Higgsfield MCP, and here's the best part. Any new Higgsfield MCP user inside Claude gets 100 free credits. That means you can build and test your first website without paying a single dollar. So you've got 2 ways to do this. Build inside Claude through the MCP, or build right inside Higgsfield using the Claude Fable 5 model. Today, I'm showing you the Higgsfield way because it's honestly the easiest, and it gets even better. Right now, they're running a $100,000 app contest. You build an app, you publish it, and you could win that cash. So you're not just learning a skill here, there's real money on the table. Again, links in the description. Alright, once you're in, click on Supercomputer, and an interface like this opens up in front of you. Now watch closely, because here's the plan. I'm going to build a website exactly like that Instagram page, the one pulling millions and millions of views. A complete website that creates those same viral style videos for me, automatically. But here's the thing, you're not locked to this one trend. Any topic you have in mind, you can build a website around it. Any trend that's blowing up right now, you can build your own website on that too. The system is the same, only the trend changes. So since these Comer-style reels are going viral right now, that's exactly what I'm building. A website that makes me videos of that exact type, and you don't need some long, complicated prompt. 2 lines, that's it. Paste your prompt here, select the Claude Fable 5 model, click on Type to choose your website's UI design, pick your style, and hit Generate. And just like that, your website starts building itself, live, right in front of your eyes. But hold on, because what happens next is where most people go wrong, and it's exactly what separates a broken website from a viral content machine. So you can see I've pasted my prompt and hit Generate. Now, quick trick here. If you want a long, detailed prompt like this one, you don't have to write it yourself. Just open any LLM, ChatGPT, Claude, whatever you use, describe your idea in a couple of lines, give it a little reference, and it'll write the full prompt for you. Copy it, paste it into Higgsfield, done. Any idea in your head, any website, any app, you can turn it into a prompt in seconds. Now watch what's happening on my screen. My website is literally building itself. On the right side, it's showing me everything step by step. The exact scenes that will appear on my website, which voice it's going to use, what style the images will be generated in, everything. Live, and the preview? It's building right there on the right side too. The full show, in real time. At this point, you just wait. Seriously, that's the whole step. Grab a coffee. Your images are being created, your videos are being set up exactly how they'll appear, and the entire setup of your website is coming together on its own. Alright, once your website or app is ready, here's what you do. Just hover your cursor over it, and you'll get your website's live link. Click on it, and boom, the website you just built opens right in your browser. Click on Sign In, and you're inside your own creation. And if you spot any problem anywhere, don't panic, just go back, describe the issue to the Higgsfield and Claude Fable 5 model, and it fixes it for you. So my website is now completely ready, and look at this, you get 2 options. You can paste your own script, upload your own voiceover, and by uploading an image, you can generate the exact same type of videos and images as that viral Instagram page. Let's try it live. First, I click on the Add Image button and upload an image. After uploading, this is what the prompt looks like. Now, the voiceover. You choose exactly how you want it. Male, female, or even create your own custom voice. Simply pick your voiceover here. Next, the spoken lines. Paste your ready-made script here, and if you don't have one, just ask Claude AI to write it for you, right on screen. Now the fun part. Image uploaded, voiceover chosen, hit the generate button. As soon as you click it, the main interface opens up and it asks your permission one by one to generate your images, your voiceover, and your videos. A pop-up appeared in front of me, I simply clicked generate, and my first image started building. That's easy. First image, done. Then the next pop-up, click generate again, and just like that, I've generated all my images. Look at this. Exactly like the Kumar Instagram page. Every image, ready. Now scroll down, click on the voiceover, and generate it. One by one, your voice gets ready. Mine's done. There's a tiny issue with the voice tone, and it syncs itself with my images, so it's slightly off. Don't worry, we'll adjust that later. After the voiceover, one more option appears below it, generate clips. Click on each one, confirm it, and every single clip gets generated for you. Now listen carefully, because this is the step I told you about at the start, the one that decides 300 views or 3 million, and 99% of people skip it. Here it is. Never upload the raw output. Look at my screen, all my clips are generated, but a few images didn't come out right. Most people would just post it anyway. Don't. Anything that didn't generate correctly, regenerate it until it's clean. Then download everything one by one, drop it into any video editor. CapCut works, it's free, line it all up and polish it. That tiny final pass is exactly what separates a broken AI-looking video from the scroll-stopping ones on the Kumar page. Skip it and your video dies at 300 views. Do it and now you're playing in the millions. And with that, the video is ready. Remember at the start, I promised you the full preview of the video I made with my own website in just 5 minutes? Here it is. Watch this.
Attention creators. My name is Shahzad. I'm a YouTuber and I'm on a mission to become online. I'll show you how to create viral content every platform. So if you're serious about subscribe to my channel,
5 minutes, one website, built with a 2-line prompt. And you can do this on any trend you spot, starting today. The Higgsfield link is in the description below. And I've also dropped the link to the exact website I built, the one that generates these viral Instagram-style videos, so you can check it out yourself. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and if you want the AI niche that's blowing up even faster than this one, watch this video next.